What's up, everybody? Today's video, you ready to see this, right? You already know. We're in, let me get the key out my pocket. The BMW 750Li for 2012. Let's go ahead and walk over, take a look, get in, and take it for a drive. Good looking car, as you know it already. So why do people buy BMWs? Because they love having a European vehicle. It's luxury, it's a status thing. Also, darn right it looks good, and it's a BMW, right? Now this car right here, 2012, one thing I have found really interesting is we're selling them really good. I mean, every time we get a 7 Series at the store, it sells within a week or so. So they don't sit on the market very long when you buy them as a car dealer. Now, as a consumer, you're gonna be able to buy one at an extremely good price. You know what I'm saying? I mean, this car new was from 80 to 100,000, depending on how the packages were and all that. Now it's a 12, it's almost 8 years old. We're getting ready to go into 2021 tomorrow night. And let me tell you, you can buy a 2012 7 Series right now with around 90,000 miles or so for anywhere between 15 to 18,000, okay? So the last one we had, which was a blue one, if you watched that video, I mean, that was a 2012 with around the same kind of mileage as this, that sold for around 16 grand. So you're getting a lot of bang for the buck buying a BMW 7 Series with a little bit more mileage on it. And I tell you, I mean, with a little bit of cash down, you can have a really nice payment if you're getting a lower interest rate, and it won't break the bank. Now, everybody always says BMW, the maintenance is high and all of that, and it's gonna nickel and dime you in the shop. Well, let me tell you, you're absolutely right. The maintenance is gonna be a higher cost to you than taking your Chevy Malibu or Honda Accord in to get service done. So if you wanna drive something like this, you need to already right off the rip start realizing you gotta pay to play. And that's what it's all about, right? You wanna drive luxury, you wanna drive pure European engineered vehicle like this, you gotta pay if something goes on with it, okay? So anyways, now I will tell you, you know, most likely when you buy the car from me, it's not just gonna break down, right? I mean, we're gonna make sure this car is in tip-top shape before it hits the streets of North Charleston. But any car, a BMW, an Audi, Mercedes, whatever it may be, they're man-made and things do go wrong after they start getting older. I mean, I've seen brand new cars have issues with them. So, again, if you wanna drive something like this, you're gonna have to pay a little extra in the shop. That's all there is to it. Or find a shop that's got a better rate. Anyway, some of the features on this thing, right? You got 20-inch wheels looking really good. They got the little M logo on it. I think this has got like the M appearance package on it, something like that, the M Sport. It does have a twin turbo V8 under the hood there, naturally aspirated. Well, hold on, time out, not naturally aspirated, it's turbo, right? Anyways, but not an aftermarket thing or anything like that. It comes from the manufacturer, twin turbo. It's got plenty of power, it's a strong engine, and it rides so smooth with this long wheelbase. It does have X-Drive on it though, which is nice. Also has the HUD system, which is heads-up display right there, so you can see right up on this window when you're driving how fast you're going, and a few other options. We already got tinted windows, that's looking good. And the body is in really nice condition. No major dents, no major dings, no major scratches. I mean, this thing is looking really sweet. All right, let's hop in. We'll take a look in the back real quickly, then we're gonna hop in and drive it. Now it does have, anyways, it does have the soft touch doors. I know some people are cringing, like, please don't slam those doors, right? Soft touch basically means just lightly close it, you're good to go. It does have the little visors or the little things that go over the windows, okay? You got all that, it's beautiful, it's black leather, perforated. You got rear heated seats in the back, also heated in the front. You got dual climate control back here. You got wood trim even on the back dash. How about that? This comes down, you got a nice big area to rest your arm. Open it up, you can throw some stuff in there. Cup holders here, and then a ski through right through there. Up top, you do have your mirrors, as you do in most long wheelbase cars. And it's got these nice little foot pedal rests right there, or footrest, as I would say, right here. And it's very clean though. This is a really nice car. I mean, it is just in great shape. A 12 with 98,000 miles, okay? So, yeah, and the front looks really nice up there, doesn't it? It's one of those cars you get in and you just want to drive. I mean, you can cruise on the interstate and travel. It's quieter, all that. If you don't have a guy like me sitting here talking so much, you can really experience the quietness of the BMW. Can we try to do that? I think so. All right. There we go. We're in. Reverse, backup camera's looking good. Let's take it for a drive back to the store, Southern Motor Company. You know, guys, if you're in the market for a used car and you live in Charleston or North Carolina, Florida, Georgia, wherever you live at, I don't mind selling you a car. So come on down and see me, call me. We'll be more than welcome to get the vehicle ready for you, or even put it on a truck and ship it to you. Again, I like the HUD system. I know you probably can't see it on the camera right now, but it looks really nice. And we're just going for a quick spin. It's nice to experience just a little taste of what the 7 Series feels like and looks like. You know, some people dream of owning a car like this. But let me tell you, folks, you can achieve your dreams. You really can. So just pay attention to what you do out there, folks, in life, okay? We'll tell you, I mean, headroom is great. We got plenty of space up top for my head, plenty of leg room down on the bottom. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe right here on YouTube with us. And again, we got many more vehicles available at Southern Motor Company, so please feel free to stop by at any time if you're in the area. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if there's something more you'd like to see, or you see a car on one of the lots, out on the lot, that's on video. Let me know. I'll be more than happy to film it for you.